Welcome back to Page Bantimin Rise. How's your day? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna continue with our lesson 2, creation. We're gonna learn 5 words together. Let's begin. Okay, first word, shine. Shine. Shine spell S-H-I-N-E. Shine. For example, the light shine in the darkness. The light shines in the darkness. Second word, thank you. Thank you. Thank you spell T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U. Thank you. For example, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Third word, animal. Animal. Animal spell A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. For example, do you like animal? Do you like animal? Fourth word, plant. Plant. Plant spell P-L-A-N-T. Plant. For example, the plant give us oxygen. The plant give us oxygen. Plant. Fifth word, flower. Flower. Flower spell F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. For example, the flowers are so beautiful. The flowers are so beautiful. Flower. Okay, now please repeat after me. Shine. Shine. Thank you. Thank you. Animal. Animal. Plant. Plant. Flower. Flower. Okay, good job everybody. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. And don't forget to make a sentence to let us know if you understand or not. If you do it right, we will give you a thumbs up. If not, we will help check or correct. Okay? So see you in the next video. Goodbye. God bless.